Welcome champs to English Ka Potli and I am Abhijit Rakshit. Today I am going to teach you about the lesson, the poem, Work of Artifice. This is a lesson which is included in the new syllabus of ICSE and this will be taught in class 9. Okay champs, come on, start with the poem. This is the poem, A Work of Artifice, and it is written by March Piercy. See, March Piercy was born in Detroit, Michigan. She is an American progressive activist and writer. Piercy was the first member of her family to attend college, winning a scholarship to attend the University of Michigan. See, what is this poem about? This poem about how the society dominates the woman, how the patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means the men dominated society. In this poem, a bonsai is compared with a woman. Okay. You know what is a bonsai? चलो तुम सभी को दिखाते हैं bonsai क्या होता है. See, this is a bonsai. Bonsai is a big tree which is whose growth is reduced by pruning the branches, by cutting the branches, and also by cutting the root. And this bonsai is grown in a small pot. Okay, so this is a bonsai. Bonsai, this is a technique which is being done in Japan. This technology, this bonsai making, this art has come from Japan. A work of artifice. What is the meaning of artifice? Artifice का मतलब क्या है? Artifice means refers to the cunning devices which is used for deception. These are the cunning devices. Okay. A bonsai tree. Bonsai tree किसे represent कर रहा है? Bonsai tree represents women. Okay. Okay. In the attractive pot. Where the bonsai tree is there? It is in the attractive pot. Similarly, कोई भी वुमेन को एक अट्रैक्टिव घर दिया जाता है, मीन्स एक कोजी घर दिया जाता है, कंफर्टेबल हाउस दिया जाता है, सो दैट द वुमेन विल स्टे देयर. तो वो क्यों दिया जाता है? क्योंकि वुमेन उसी घर पे रहे एंड दे शुड नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द हाउस. मीन्स ये पैट्रियार्चल सोसाइटी का ये एक टेक्निक है. क्योंकि जो मेन होते हैं ना, वो थोड़ा डरते हैं. भाई अगर मेरा वाइफ, अगर मेरा बेटी मुझसे बड़े हो जाए तो इफ शी बिकम्स वेरी डेवलप, तो ये बोल रहा है कि हाउ द पैट्रियार्चल सोसाइटी इज डोमिनेटिंग द वुमेन. वुमेन को किस तरह से डोमिनेट किया जाता है, वुमेन को किस तरह से हर फील्ड में आने किसे रोका जाता है. मीन्स दे आर ऑलवेज, मीन्स एक स्टीरियोटाइप बनाया जाता है कि आप लोगों घर में ही सही है. मीन्स दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टीरियोटाइप इज मेड so that the women will remain inside their house only. Now, in the attractive pot could have grown 80 feet. अगर ये नेचुरल हैबिटेट में कोई भी प्लांट, मीन्स अगर उसको बॉन्साई नहीं बनाया जाता है, देन ये एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट में इट वुड हैव ग्रोन 80 feet tall. Okay, on the top, on the side of a mountain where this natural tree means ये जो प्लांट जब बड़ा होता था नेचुरली, ये कोई भी माउंटेन का साइड में बहुत बड़ा सा एक ट्री बन जाता था. ओके. टिल स्प्लिट बाय लाइटनिंग मीन्स यू सी दिस इज द डेस्टिनी ऑफ द ट्री आफ्टर इट हैज ग्रोन वेरी हाई, बहुत ऊंचा हो गया. एंड सी व्हेन इट इज ऑलमोस्ट वेरी नियर टू द क्लाउड्स, हो सकता है अचानक किसी दिन बिजली कड़का, देयर माइट बी अ thundering or lightning will be there, and because of this thundering and lightning the tree might would have burnt. ये शायद स्प्लिट हो जाता, टूट जाता था, मर जाता था. बट अ गार्डनर, गार्डनर किसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? गार्डनर इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द पैट्रियार्चल सोसाइटी. पैट्रियार्चल सोसाइटी. ओके, it is representing the patriarchal society. Carefully pruned means what the gardener does? The gardener cuts the branches. Pruned का मतलब है कट. ओके, कट करना. तो वो गार्डनर जो ब्रांचेस को कट करते हैं, फिर उसको ट्रिम करते हैं, फिर उसे शेप देता है. मीन्स इट गिव शेप टू द ब्रांचेस सो दैट द बॉन्साई लुक्स लाइक अ ग्रोन अप ट्री इन अ वेरी स्मॉल एरिया। तो बॉन्साई को हम लोगों ने क्या करते हैं, बॉन्साई को हम लोगों ने डेकोरेटिव पीस के तरह यूज करते हैं। वी यूटिलाइज अ बॉन्साई जस्ट एज अ डेकोरेटिव आइटम। उसी तरह से women को भी बोला जा रहा है कि they are also utilized for decorative purposes and they should always look beautiful and they should remain inside the house only and they should always do everything which is very much beneficial for the patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means male dominated society. मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी जो चीज को पसंद करेंगे वही चीज वुमेन को करना पड़ेगा। दिस इज बीइंग टोल्ड। It is 9 inches high. तो what is the height of the bonsai? It is only 9 inches because इसका तो ग्रो रिटार्ड किया गया है ना, मीन्स इसका तो ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है। इट इज हैविंग अ सप्रेस्ड ग्रोथ। तो ये खाली 9 इंचेस तक ही ग्रो हो पा रहा है, 80 फीट टॉल नहीं हो पा रहा है। एवरी डे एज ही whittles back the branches, every day as he whittles back the branches। तो what is the meaning of the word whittles? whittles का मतलब है कट। ओके, हमारा जो गार्डनर साहेब है ये क्या करते हैं, फिर से ट्रिमिंग करते हैं, कट करते हैं, उसको ब्रांचेस को शेप दिया करते हैं। उसी तरह से हमारा पैट्रियार्चल सोसाइटी जो है, मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी है, उसी तरह से वुमेन को बनाता है, उसी तरह से वुमेन को किसी भी तरह से सप्रेस किया जाता है, वुमेन को डोमिनेट किया जाता है, वुमेन का ग्रोथ से किस तरह से रोका जा सकता है, वही चीज दे ऑलवेज डिवाइस ऑल दो सॉर्ट ऑफ मीन्स बाय विच द वुमेन विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू ग्रो एनी फर्दर। ओके, back the branches the gardener croons। you know what is the meaning of croons? croons means sings। तो गार्डनर क्या करते हैं, gardener he sings a song। what is this song? you know, गार्डनर गाना इसलिए गाते हैं टू reassure that everything is well, कि ये reassurance देने के लिए कि सभी कुछ सही जा रहा है, everything is well। it is your nature it टू बी स्मॉल एंड कोजी। तो ये बोला जा रहा है कि ये जो बॉन्साई है इसका नेचर है टू बी स्मॉल एंड कोजी, डोमेस्टिक एंड वीक। ओके, मीन्स बॉन्साई को अगर आप क्या करेंगे, बाहर में रख देंगे, इफ यू आर एक्सपोजिंग द बॉन्साई टू ऑल द एडवर्सिटीज ऑफ द नेचर, बॉन्साई विल ऑटोमेटिकली डाई। क्योंकि बॉन्साई तो नेचुरली इसका ग्रोथ नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज बॉन्साई को उस तरह का रूट्स को कट किया जाता है, ब्रांचेस को कट किया जाता है, नेचुरल हैबिटेट में उसको ग्रो नहीं किया जाता है। दैट इज वाई बॉन्साई तो फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइफ, जब वो छोटा से कभी नहीं देखा है कि हाउ टू फेस द एडवर्सिटीज ऑफ द नेचर। सेम विद द वुमेन ऑल्सो। वुमेन को तो बचपन से रोका गया है, बचपन से ही, फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द चाइल्डहुड ओनली द वुमेन आर नॉट अलाउड टू मिक्स अप विद द सोसाइटी। मेन हैव ऑलवेज ट्राइड हाउ टू सप्रेस द वुमेन, हाउ टू सबड्यू देम। दे वांटेड वुमेन एज देयर डेकोरेटिव आइटम, घर सजाने का कोई शो पीस का जैसा। दे यूज्ड टू कंसीडर वुमेन एज अ शो पीस। ठीक है, सोसाइटी में मेन जो बोलेगा वुमेन को वही मानना पड़ेगा। मीन्स दे हैव टू फॉलो एवरीथिंग वट एवर द सोसाइटी tells, means the patriarchal society tells, men dominated society tells। okay, women they are kept inside a small and cozy domestic, means they are always kept inside a house only। and ये बोला जा रहा है कि they are weak। भाई weak तो होगा ही, because पहले से तुम लोगों ने इसको that sort of advantages you have not given, उन लोगों को एडवांटेज नहीं दिया, तो हाउ कैन दे शो देयर पोटेंशियल। तो वुमेन तो अपना पोटेंशियल दिखा नहीं पाया कि women क्या सकते हैं, what the women can do, they are unable to show that potential। how lucky little tree to have a pot to grow in। it is being told that the tree, means the bonsai tree, it should consider itself to be very lucky because it has got a pot to grow in। pot, pot का क्या मतलब है, restriction। pot means bondage। ओके, pot में ग्रो कैसा होगा, pot में तो एक तो मीन्स एरिया इज ऑलरेडी डिमार्केटेड, उसी एरिया में तो ग्रो होना पड़ेगा, इससे बड़ा तो नहीं हो सकता है। सिमिलरली वुमेन ऑल्सो, They are kept inside the house. They are controlled by the male dominated society. That is why their growth is retarded. Okay. With living creatures, one must begin very early. Really, this is the fact. Means bonsai you have to prepare from the very tender age only. Means when it is a plant, अगर tree बन जाएगा तो कैसा bonsai बनाओगे आप? Means you have to take a small plant, then only you will be able to cut the branches, उसका roots को short करना पड़ेगा. Then it will be easy for you to give a small plant into the shape of a bonsai. Similarly, women, when they are very small, they are to be trained. You are made for the men only. You have to follow the orders of the men. You have to look yourself very beauty. You have to be very beautiful. आप beautiful दिखना चाहिए so that men will love you. Okay, that is the thing they are taught from the very early age to dwarf their growth. What is the meaning of dwarf? Dwarf का मतलब है stunted, STUNTED, stunted. Stunted मतलब जहां पर ग्रोथ को नहीं दिया जाता, मीन्स वेर एवर द ग्रोथ इज रिटार्डेड, मीन्स they are not allowed to grow in the society. They are not allowed to show their potential in the society. Suppose एक woman में कुछ भी potential है, they are having the capacity, but they are not allowed to show that capacity. उसमें जो भी काम करने का whatever the creativity है, कुछ भी करने का जो capability है, those capabilities they are not allowed to show. Followed, champs? Come on. The bound feet, the crippled brain, the hair in curlers. Bound feet means जैसा कि बॉन्साई का जो रूट्स है उसे एक जगह में एक स्मॉल पॉट में दे आर केप्ट, मीन्स इट इज बाइंडेड, उसे एज इफ दे आर बाउंड, मीन्स उसे बांधा जाता है. Similarly means they cannot allowed to grow any further. Similarly, women also bound means they have to remain in a small confinement. Whatever the rules and regulation, which is they have to follow the rules and regulations which is made by the patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means the male dominated society. जो भी rules बनाया है उसको वही follow करना पड़ेगा. The crippled brains, which means women do not have that much of independence to think also. They cannot think independently, they cannot be creative, means वो society में कुछ भी नया नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी means everything they have to do whatever they are being taught by the men only. Okay, suppose you are told to go towards the right, the women have to go towards the right. If you are told to go towards the left, the women have to go towards the left only. That means they are completely means suppressed. यहाँ पर एक बाउंड फीट में और एक जो चीज होता है चाइनीज कल्चर में, यू नो, इन द चाइनीज सोसाइटी द गर्ल्स आर अलाउड टू वेयर स्मॉल साइज शूज so that the foot will not grow large and the foot will be very beautiful. Okay, this is माने just to increase the feminism of the girl का feminism को बढ़ाने के लिए this sort of technique they adopt. Followed. The hairs in curlers. You know what is curlers? Curlers means ऐसा राउंड राउंड होता है जो उसमें आपका हेयर्स को ऐसा माने कर्ल किया जाता है. Why these curlers are used? Because the women will curl their hairs and they will look very beautiful. वो सब बहुत beautiful दिखेंगे. That is why. और women को तो beautiful दिखना ही है so that they may get good husband. Husband बदसूरत होने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा वाइफ बीवी एकदम ऐश्वर्या राय होना चाहिए. ओके चलो. The hands you love to touch. What does this mean? These last two lines. In these last two lines, the tree should not assault the gardener. Means the gardener को assault नहीं किया जा सकेगा. Means you cannot go against the gardener. This is how the tree should behave. Because the gardener is the person who has given food to the tree, who has taken care of the tree. Same with the women also. The women should always care the men, even though they are being, men has always tried to suppress the women. Okay, men सब हर वक्त women को suppress करने के लिए every type of things they try to do. So that is the thing which is being told in the poem. Means patriarchal society, whatever the rules and regulations they have made, women have to follow that one. You are only a thing of beauty. Okay, यू कैनॉट थिंक इंडिपेंडेंटली. आप इंडिपेंडेंट सोच नहीं सकते. तो हियर लाइज द आयरनी. I think you have understood up to here, champs. आप सभी को शायद समझ में आए. Now let us see the theme of the poem. Okay. See, number one, the artifice refers to cunning devices used for deception. The women are deceived by society to lead restricted lives. It tells us of the patriarchal society system that gives power and control to men. The poem uses the gardener and gardening techniques to show how the idea of women being weak is cultivated from an early age. Okay. Number one, the gardener carefully prunes and whittles the branches. Number two, soon. Soon means sings. Sings in reassurance that all is well. Sab theek hai, sab acha hai, everything is okay. The men want to tell the women that they are fortunate to have men to look after them. This is also there in the poem. The aesthetic standards of women are carefully and continuously encouraged. Aesthetic means appreciation of beauty. Number one, from an early age, they are coached that their self worth depends on approval of men. Number two, women spend their time, energy, and attention towards appearing attractive. Number three, the potential of a woman is restricted. How the growth of the bonsai is restricted in a pot, similarly, the women intentionally confined. Okay. See, these are the list of metaphors. These are the poetic devices. Gardener is representing the patriarchal society. Bonsai tree represents women. Whittles and pruning means this is the brainwashing and confinement. Pot means intentional confinement. Cozy attractive pot, it is deceptively safe domesticity. Okay. Now the irony. Where is the irony? The poet portrays the ironic situation in a phrase like could have grown 80 feet tall, but it has not grown. You know what is the meaning of irony? Irony normally signifies the opposite meaning. Okay, champs? Could have grown 80 feet, ये एक irony है. Actually 80 feet क्या grow हुआ था? It was not allowed. Okay, here is the irony. How lucky little tree. Lucky. Really the tree was lucky. Really the woman was lucky. So here is also an irony. उन लोगों को lucky नहीं था. They are not at all lucky. To have a pot to grow in. Bhai, pot. Restricted growth is there. A plant, it can grow near about 80 feet tall. And a woman, she is also having a potential to grow in the society, to live just like a human being. So here is the irony because they are not at all lucky and they are having a restricted growth. Okay. Now personification. This is also a figure of speech. See, the poet gives human attributes to the bonsai tree. तो bonsai tree को human attributes दिया गया, human characteristics is given to the bonsai tree by using words such as feet, brain and hair. Okay, तो bonsai को एक just a human form दिया गया है. Personification means the representation of an abstract quality in human form. Okay, तो यहाँ पर personification is given to the bonsai tree. The poet gives human attributes to the bonsai tree by using words such as feet, brain and hair. Now, imagery. So what are the imageries over here? Imagery is also a poetic device. This stimulates our senses. Here we are having three imageries. Visual imagery, only 9 inches high. This is a visual imagery, which we can see with our eyes. उसे visual imagery कहा जाता है. Auditory imagery, that means which we can hear, जो हम लोग सुन सकते हैं. Croons means the singing of the gardener is the auditory imagery. Tactile imagery. So this is the imagery which we can feel by touch. The hands you love to touch. This is a tactile imagery. Okay, champs, I think that you are able to understand this poem. Go through this poem very properly. सभी को शायद ये poem समझ में आ गया है. You just go through this poem, read this one very properly. Okay, today up to here. Wait for my next video. तब तक मस्ती चलता रहेगा, खेल कूद चलता रहेगा और इंग्लिश का पोटली भी हम लोग देखते रहेंगे. Okay, and I will be delivering all the lessons of ICSE, okay, as well as CBSE. Okay, then bye everybody. Stay healthy and keep smiling. All the best to all of you.